That storm over the bay last night? Quite the light show. But back to this morning. Temperatures today likely to peak at 33 degrees average for September. The ppm is 497 and the hurricane warning level has switched from orange to green. Still some heavy rain forecast for later tonight though, and with a wind speed of 60 miles per hour, might be wise to put off that stroll around the barrage. Right, taking us back to the summer of 32 now, with this beautiful track from Lemfreck and Greta Isaac. Coming to you live from the heart of Swansea, this is Rise FM.
I've been running circles in my head. No one ever said that this would all be easy. I wish I could lay it all to rest. Now I understand, I see it all so clearly. I see you calling, 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 and I choose to hear you now. We've been falling, 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 falling. Watch me as I hit
the time is now, so now's the time. I know the solution is there in our minds. Forget the pollution that you caught in time. Yo, forget the illusions, I'll come in with signs. I'm coming for what's mine.